we're also demoing Simple Stairs. Simple Stairs is a one-piece stair tread designed to fit right over top of an existing staircase. We have a little demo staircase here. This tread, what's unique about this comes in our Rialta line, comes in all the wood grains, and it's made from the exact same product that the planks are made from. Match from your floor right up your steps, and even if you have Rialta on your second floor, it's continuous, same color, same grain, same texture, same everything. What's unique about this product is it has this specially patented curve right here, which is designed to fit like a glove right around an existing staircase. The treads come just this size. They're 14 inches wide, they're 48 inches long, and there'll be 2 in a box. If we look at the installation, if we're doing a closed set of steps like we have here, where you kind of have the walls on both sides, it's a very straightforward, simple install. We can cut these pieces, these treads, we can cut them. This little template tool makes it really easy to get an exact measurement. We can get this in here and set it exactly where we want it, and then we can transfer that template, mark it on there, cut this with carbide tip woodworking tools. So like a power miter saw, table saw, tools like that. Once we have it cut to fit, we can check it, make sure it fits. Once we know it fits, we're going to apply our Mannington triple stick adhesive on the back of this. I'm going to slide this in place, give you a quick look at what that adhesive looks like. I have a piece down here. It's very important during installation that they get that triple stick adhesive up into that curve so it fits tight. We're going to put a bead around the perimeter and then just kind of zigzag here in the middle. All right, once that's bonded on, these steps are not going to go anywhere. Another unique feature with our Simple Stairs is it allows us to do any type of custom work we need. There's no other stair on the market that can accommodate both a left and a right open step. So if I take this off, we talk about an open step. You'll hear that term. All that means is this is open on the side, and it could be open all the way up with a railing on the steps. Simple Stairs gives us the ability to cut one of these treads, and create this nosing piece, which now can be mitered, even mitered on the back side to close that in. And you can see just how clean, let me take this off out of the way. You can see just how clean this looks. Put that in place. You got a perfect match once that's all glued together. Very clean, very sharp. We also offer white risers. We'll put this in place. So the customer will have a choice. They can either go with the matching riser you see up top, which is the flooring planks, perfect match to the Simple Stair tread, or if they want to, they can use a white riser and kind of get that pop right there. It's an awesome product, very excited about it. But one new thing that I do want to show before I let you get away is we also are offering it in a bigger format. You can see here, this is our standard Simple Stairs 1.0. It's also now going to be available in Simple Stairs 1.5. That will accommodate an 1.5 inch thick stair tread. There seems to be quite a few of them. We've listened to the customers, and now we will offer it in 2 different sizes. Very cool product, very unique to Mannington. Another thing we're excited about.